For the next few minutes, I want you to forget everything you think you know about small, lightweight, budget-friendly campers. Seriously, just toss those expectations out the window, because what I'm about to show you really bends the rules of what's possible when you're working with a tight budget. Today we're looking at a travel trailer that comes in under 16 grand and somehow still manages to feel thoughtfully designed, practical, and honestly pretty exciting. Yes, you heard that right. This camper tops out at an MSRP of $15,995, and it's called the Lite Cloudbreaker. Before I stumbled across this thing, I genuinely struggled to find another RV that packs this much into such a compact and affordable package. For the price, it feels like someone found a loophole in the RV world and actually used it. The company behind it is Wayfinder RV, and they're pretty new on the scene. According to their own info, they popped up in 2023, which makes what they've accomplished here even more impressive. They're clearly swinging for the fences, and in some ways they're offering features that rival what much bigger names like Jayco or Forest River deliver at this price point. Size-wise, the Cloudbreaker is just over 16 feet long, stands about 10 feet 5 inches tall, and weighs in at a very manageable 2,430 pounds dry. Tongue weight sits around 330 pounds, and the GVWR is 3,500 pounds, which makes this trailer towable by a wide range of vehicles. That alone is a big win for folks who don't want to upgrade to a massive truck just to go camping. What really blows my mind is how much they fit inside. Wayfinder managed to squeeze in sleeping space for up to 5 people, a full kitchen, a wet bath, and still left room for a dinette, pantry storage, and all the systems you need to be comfortable on the road. That's not easy to pull off in a camper this size, especially at this price. And if you like the idea of getting off the beaten path, Wayfinder didn't forget about you either. The Cloudbreaker comes with off-road tires and a rapid lift adjustable axle hanger. It's not a hardcore overland rig, but it's definitely more capable than a lot of other campers in this category. And that extra bit of clearance can make a real difference when you're exploring beyond crowded campgrounds. The exterior is solid too, with R7 insulation all around and a fully walkable roof. That's great if you ever need to check on your solar panel, service the AC, or just keep an eye on your seals. One detail I really like is the dual awnings. There's one along the side and another at the rear, which is also where the main entrance is located. That rear awning adds a nice sheltered space right where you step in and out. Once inside, the layout is clever. On the left side, you'll find a pantry or linen closet, followed by a jackknife sofa with a fold-up bunk above it, rated for up to 150 pounds. There's more pantry storage after that, and then the bathroom. On the right side, there's a double bed that works well for 2 adults, a fold-up dinette under a large window, and then the kitchen stretching across most of the front wall. The kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, a sink with faucet, and even a microwave, which is impressive at this price. The one downside here is the lack of dedicated countertop space, so you'll probably be using the dinette for food prep. It's not a deal breaker, but it is something to be aware of. Comfort features are well covered too. You get a 20,000 BTU furnace, a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, plenty of USB ports, LED lighting, cable and satellite prep, and good ventilation throughout. On top of that, it comes with a 100-watt solar panel and controller already installed. If you want to go deeper off-grid, you'll probably want to add a portable power solution, but it's a solid starting point. Now, no camper is perfect, and there is one design choice that might bother some people. The sofa sits pretty close to the bed, which makes the walkway a bit tight. When the couch is folded out, that space shrinks even more, and part of it sticks toward the center near the door. For some folks, that could feel cramped. That said, a camper is really about getting you outside. Inside space is mainly for sleeping, eating, and cleaning up. The real living happens outdoors, and when you look at the Cloudbreaker through that lens, the layout makes a lot more sense. At the end of the day, the best way to know if this camper fits your lifestyle is to see one in person. Head to a dealer, step inside, and picture how you'd actually use it. Personally, I think Wayfinder RV is onto something here, and I have a feeling they're not going anywhere anytime soon. What do you think?